guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna be making 2 birthday cakes for my mom. Her birthday's tomorrow and she wants this lemon cake and then she also wants a chocolate cake. So today's gonna be that video. I'm gonna bake both of those cakes. I'm gonna bring you guys along and yeah, so let's find the ingredients first. The first thing I did was put my hair up so it doesn't get all dirty, and then I'm gonna put this apron on because I don't know. Okay, put this apron on so I don't get messy. Okay, so Greek yogurt, 3 eggs, flour, oil, sugar, lemon juice, salt, baking powder, pan. 350. Oh, I need to take these things out first. Half a cup.
Die Mimi sagt, soll ich dir einen Kuchen backen?
Nein, du kannst sagen, ich mache, aber ich kann alleine machen. Ich kann alleine machen. 3 Eier, 3 eggs. Oh my gosh, it'd be funny if I had some people that actually watched my videos and understood what I was saying.
Ja, voll komisch. Ja, weil eigentlich denkt man, dass 50 morgen beginnt. Aber das stimmt gar nicht.
Hast du alle gesagt?
Beginnt 51.
Hi, Gammy.
Hello.
I'm just filming a YouTube video. Got your eyelashes done?
Yes, I did.
Wait, you have to send me pictures. I want to see that. That's cute.
Okay, I've had it done before.
I need to add 1.5 cups of flour. This is my little housewife outfit. I don't know, I kind of like it though. Kind of like it. I feel like I'm just one of those girls who's like excessively feminine, and I feel, I don't know, I feel like there's nothing wrong with that. Today's day and age, people seem to think there is, but I don't know, I kind of like being that. First, I need to spray this pan with Pam spray. Whoever this Pam person is makes some serious bank. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I'm funny, it's fine. In there like that. Okay, so I just poured this in there. And then I need to check and see how many minutes it says that it needs. Bake the cake for 30 to 40 minutes or until the cake feels springy to the touch and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Ooh. Okay, on to the next cake. This one is a flourless chocolate cake. So this one we're making right now is lemon yogurt cake. So on top is the lemon glaze with powdered sugar and the lemon juice. Pro tip, clean as you go. Okay, this one needs cocoa powder, 8 eggs, sugar, vanilla, and then the normal stuff. And butter, I forgot about that. First, I need to melt this over low heat. It should be melted but not hot. Okay, so melt it and then let it cool for a little bit. This I'm gonna melt, but it can't be hot, so I'm just gonna put it into the microwave for a little bit. Oh. Into the microwave. Let's put it for 30 seconds, 40 seconds. This all the way around. And this is how you do it. Put the dish on top. And you flip. Carefully, like that. Oh, it's so cute, Mama. I love it. I miss Chef Mike. He was actually a cool guy. Does he still have a bakery, or it closed because of COVID, right? That's kind of sad.
But I saw some on Instagram that there's no baking cakes out of the garage at home.
Oh, really?
So he lost his space, but he's still doing it.
Well, that's good. He was actually such a nice guy.
Yeah.
Remember, oh my gosh, I used to work in his bakery, and he would make those crowns or tiara. He would make tiaras out of chocolate and then spray them with edible gold spray. And then he would wear them while we were baking in the bakery. That was actually so cute. I need to push these crumbles down. Okay, now this is the butter that I melted, and I let it cool for a little bit. Not enough to harden again, but just put it in here. How much sugar? 1.5 cups. That's a lot. I'm just gonna pour it inside this little cup. 1 cup. 1/2 cup. I'm gonna whisk this all together now. Sugar, butter, vanilla, pinch of salt. Adding salt to baking seems so counterintuitive, except if you add it, it enhances the flavor, especially in chocolate cakes like that. The little cap is like a teaspoon, usually. And this is more so just for flavors, so it's not going to change the chemical compounds or whatever of baking. So, this is the consistency we have. Okay. Here's all of my face. Pour the mixture in a springform pan. Bake for 35 minutes. Oh, okay. Brush it on there like this. And then if you take this little toothpick and you just poke little holes like this, You won't even really see that they're there. And then you take the glaze again, and it'll soak into the little holes. Be like a burst of flavor. Like that. Got some glaze here on the side. Done. They're finished. This is the lemon and this is the chocolate one. And it broke a little bit, but that's okay. And look how cute my little setup is. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please stay tuned for more videos like this and comment down below any videos you want to see. But yeah, okay, so bye guys.